Today, I'm going to show you how to sew this bag. Before we start sewing, we need to learn 4 basic steps. Threading the needle with 2 threads. Finishing the stitching. Once you've mastered these 4 basic steps, you'll be able to easily sew this bag. So first, I'll use the first step as an example to teach you the 4 basic steps. First, we need to take out piece number 1, which is this largest piece of leather, and also piece number 5. This smaller piece is piece number 5. So our first step is to sew piece number 5 to the inside of piece number 1. The front and back of this bag are quite easy to distinguish. The back has a fuzzy surface, and the holes are smaller. The front has a deeply textured surface, and the holes are more visible. It's very easy to tell them apart. Now we'll sew piece number 5 directly to the back of piece number 1, sewing it onto these 2 rows of holes on these 2 rows here. These 2 rows need to be sewn in 2 steps. First, the raised part of the magnetic snap. This side faces up. Facing this side, then place it here. Notice that the smooth side faces inward. So we align it like this. Align them and start sewing. Sewing these 2 rows separately. To sew 1 row of holes, we need waxed thread 4.5 times the length of this straight line on piece number 1. To sew this row of holes, we need waxed thread twice the length of this straight line on piece number 1. For example, this is 1 length. So, following the same principle, we measure it twice and cut it. Next, let's learn how to thread the needle. We use 2 needles for threading. It's the double needle method, so we need to thread needles on both ends. First, thread one end through the needle eye. Let me zoom in for you to see. After threading through, pull out a short section, then press this short section onto the table. Press it down with your fingernail, then pierce the needle through the middle of the thread. Here, you need to pull it up. Like this. Let me show you. It's like this. Pierce through the middle of the thread, then pull the short thread through the needle eye. Then pull the long thread tight. This way we secure the thread, so it won't fall out. The other end is done the same way. Same operation to thread the needle. Alright, our needle threading is complete. Next, let's learn how to sew. First, we need to place piece number 5 inside piece number 1. Then we can secure the position using our binder clips to hold it. To hold it in place, binder clips are used to hold things in position. When we first start sewing and the position isn't secure yet, we can use binder clips to hold it. Then thread the needle through the first hole. Thread through the first hole here. Both ends of the thread should be equal length because we're using double needle stitching, so both sides of the thread must be equal. Then the bottom needle goes from the second hole to the top. Then the top needle goes from the second hole to the bottom. After we finish sewing one hole, pull both threads tight. From now on, we'll use this cross-stitching method. The bottom needle goes to the top, then the top needle goes to the bottom, What you need to note is, when the bottom needle comes through, the direction we place this thread must be consistent. This way the stitching will be neat and beautiful. When it's secure enough, we can remove the binder clip. Then continue sewing. When we reach the last hole, we can just finish sewing it. Then we backstitch one stitch. That means going back to where we've already sewn, backstitching one stitch. But note that when we backstitch going back, the needle should come out in the middle here. This middle part here come out between the two pieces of leather. You can see this backstitch. Let me zoom in for you. You can see it's backstitching to the side. Now we thread it to the middle. You can see there are two stitches here. On this side, we also backstitch one stitch, then thread the needle inside. Here, thread it inside. Then we tie a knot right here. And finish it off. After tying the knot, we can cut off the excess thread. Then use the needle to tuck this thread inside little by little. Now we need to take out our super glue. Note that super glue should not be applied directly to the leather. We need to find an unwanted lid or card. Any container will do. Put the super glue in it. Then use a spare needle or toothpick to apply the super glue little by little onto the thread end. Note that you must not get super glue on the leather. If it gets on the leather, it cannot be cleaned off. Alright, so here, one side is already finished. We've completed the 4 basic steps, and the learning is done. From now on, we'll use these 4 basic steps to sew. Let me demonstrate one more time for you. For the following parts, there will be some repetitive steps, so I won't explain them in detail. Alright, so this side is finished. Next step is to sew piece number 4. Sew piece number 4 to the other side of piece number 1, which is this side. When sewing piece number 4, we need to pay attention. When we're done sewing, it should snap together like this. Snaps together with piece number 5 on this side. So when we sew, we need to test it first like this. It's magnetic. This side faces this side. There's magnetism here, right? So we need to place it like this. Sew it like this. This side is magnetic, so it can connect with this side. Like this. Sew it like this. Note that this side is magnetic. So we sew it this way. First flip it over. Also sewing these 2 rows of holes. To sew 1 row of holes, we need thread from piece number 1. This straight line, twice the length. This straight line, twice the length. After threading the needle, let me show you a few stitches. Note that this side is magnetic. After confirming the position, we can start sewing. Alright, I'll demonstrate up to here for you. After sewing all the holes here, backstitch 1 stitch and finish in the middle. The bottom row is done the same way. Sewing is the same as this side. I won't demonstrate all of it. Alright, so this is also finished. Let's test if it snaps together. If it snaps, there's no problem. Next step. Take out piece number 2. Both pieces number 2 are the same. We can take either one. Then take out piece number 7. Now we need to sew piece number 7 to piece number 2. Sewing them together like this. Sewing these 2 rows of holes. To sew 1 row, we need twice the length of this straight line. Twice the length here. I won't demonstrate for you. After threading and measuring the thread, we can start sewing. First, align them. Note that this side faces outward. Align them. Then the sewing method is the same as before. After aligning the holes, start cross-stitching. For the bottom row, I won't demonstrate. I'm sure you already know how to sew. This step is also very simple. This side, just sew it directly. After finishing this part, take out the second piece, number 2. Also piece number 6 and 2 D-rings. We need to sew piece number 6 to piece number 2. First, we thread the D-ring through the middle of piece number 6. Both of them. Then fold piece number 6 in half. Clamp piece number 2. Clamp piece number 2 like this. Align the holes and sew. To sew one rawl, same as before. The waxed thread needed is also twice the length of this straight line. Let's clamp it. Note that it clamps this piece number 2. Then start sewing. Here we sew 3 pieces together. We can take our time, no rush. Alright, so this is quite simple. I'll demonstrate up to here. After sewing all the holes, we backstitch 1 stitch and finish in the middle. The bottom row is done the same way. Okay, after finishing piece number 2, it looks like this. Next, take out piece number 3. There are 2 pieces number 3. Both are done the same way. Wrapping around these 2 sides. Wrapping the bottom and sewing it together. Here, we'll of course need to use binder clips to secure the position first. Like this, then I'll demonstrate with 1 strip. For sewing, here we need piece number 3. Fold it in half, this line. 1 length of waxed thread. Fold it like this. 1 length of waxed thread. After threading the needle, we can start sewing. Let me demonstrate for you here. We use binder clips to hold it, to secure the position. This sewing is a bit different from before. This uses another sewing method. First, the left needle goes through the left hole. Then from the right hole, come up. Let me zoom in for you to see. After going through this side, we come out from this side. The thread still needs to be aligned. Then the same needle continues through this hole. Then pull tight. Note that here they're aligned, not overlapping. Remember that. Then this needle, this front needle, follows a crossing path to the side, going through to the side. Going down, see? Going down here. The back is done the same way. From here, diagonally down through this hole coming up. Like this. Here too. Then we also follow the diagonal down step, going through. It becomes like this. Going down here, the back uses the same method. Following from this hole, coming up, pull tight slightly, it looks like this. Next, we go across horizontally. Going across horizontally, 1 stitch. Here also goes across horizontally, 1 stitch. Then pull tight, it becomes like this. Then continue diagonally up. After coming up, here is a cross shape. The back is the same. Diagonally up like this. The back is also a cross shape. Then the last stitch goes up here. Go through. It becomes like this. Sew here. Same thing, go through. tight. It becomes like this. Then here, this needle at the bottom. From this side, go through one more time. Here, it's now 2 passes. 2 passes. This side also goes through. Which means we backstitch 1 stitch to finish this area. Here. Then we apply super glue directly to these 2. Double pass threads. Apply directly to this thread. Right here, apply directly to this thread. Don't cut yet. This side is the same. Apply it to this thread. After they're secured, we can directly cut off the excess thread. Same here, cut off the excess thread. All right, it looks like this. This way it won't come loose. Like this. The other side is also sewn the same way. Let me demonstrate one more time. Pull tight. After pulling tight, we can remove the binder clip, then cross-stitch like this. From the opposite hole coming up, which is here. Then from this side, going down, pull tight. Then from the next opposite hole coming up, all right, so this is complete. Next step is also our second to last sewing step, which is sewing piece number 1, this row of holes. To sew this row, we need from piece number 1, this straight line 5 times the length of thread. Here, we need to sew 5 layers together. So we need a longer thread. We need to pay attention when sewing. We need to sew both left and right sides. So we need 2 lengths of thread. One is back up. For this bag, we need to sew it inside out. After sewing, we turn it back. So we start sewing from the back side. Take out another piece number 2. Either one is fine. Either one works. No left or right. We take one piece number 2 and one piece number 3. When sewing piece number 3, we need to pay attention. Allen here. First, we're aligning to sew this side. Here you can see there's the first hole, aligning with this row of holes inside. Viz. Like this. Align like this. After aligning, we can notice. Here, the aligned side is against this side. This side and this side. This side is against here, so this side should be the front side. How do we tell front from back? We can look. I'll show you a comparison image. You can take a look. The front side has diagonal stitching. Diagonal like this, slightly diagonal. The back side has stitching in a straight row, straight in a row. We can notice when we align like this, they overlap, but this side has the front side on top. What do? We switch to another piece number 3. Switch to another piece number 3, maybe took the wrong piece. Switch and check again. So here the front side is. On this side. Alright, now let's start aligning the holes. First, this piece is the front of piece number 1. Then align. The front side aligns with the front of piece number 3. The front here is against this side. Against piece number 1, this side is the front. Pay attention. Next we add another. Piece number 2 with the back side facing this way. This is the back side. After threading through, we fold up piece number 1 here. Align the first hole. Wrap piece number 2 around like this. Here we sew 5 layers together, which is quite difficult. So when we sew, we can go through 1 layer at a time. Slowly through 1 layer, then another. Need to adjust the position. Like this. Like this. Note that the front side must be here. The video might not be clear, so I showed you an image earlier. If you can't see clearly, you can go back and look again. Here. All right, so here it's joined together like this. Joined together like this. Let me repeat the method again. Here's piece number 1, add 1. Piece number 3, then add 1 piece number 2. Then wrap the other side of piece number 1 around. Then we can start. The thread here is quite long. We need to pay attention when sewing. Watch that, the thread doesn't tangle. And we try to keep it aligned. Here there are 5 layers. It's a bit tricky to thread through. So we need to be careful. We can go through 1 layer at a time. When sewing the second stitch, still align the position. Check the length. Then continue sewing. After one stitch, it looks like this. Then we continue sewing down. Alright, I'll demonstrate up to here. After sewing all the holes, backstitch one stitch and finish. Just keep sewing down here. We can notice there are two large holes here, right? These two large holes align with here, overlapping. This side, overlapping, these two holes are these two here. Left and right sides align with these two large holes respectively. If when sewing later, they don't align with the large holes, it means we made a mistake earlier. We need to go back and check where we went through wrong. It's possible we went through the same hole twice or skipped a hole. This would cause one side to not match up. When we sew to here, which is the corner, we just align hole by hole. Align and sew through. After aligning, pull tight and it will slowly turn the corner. Sewing here with 5 layers together is quite difficult. We can wear a thimble to increase finger friction like this. Reminiscing confinement. Note, when turning corners, you must align hole by hole. Otherwise, it's very easy to misalign the holes. So we need to pay attention here. You can see, after we thread through hole by hole, the corner naturally turns like this. Alright, next, we use the same method to sew it. Here you can see the holes. Actually, at this point, you can already see these two holes align with these two large holes. Here, so we need to pay attention when sewing. The following sewing just follows these previous methods to sew. I won't demonstrate here. So this side is already finished. After finishing, it looks like this. Then the other side is also sewn the same way. For the thread length, I already explained earlier to measure one length, so we can directly use that length to start sewing. Then like this. Also, join it together. Then set it up. Here it's the same sewing method as that side. I won't demonstrate. If you don't know how, you can go back and watch when sewing this part. Alright, after finishing sewing, we can turn the bag inside out. Slowly, starting from the corners here. Push it inside gently. Then pull it out. Alright, so here it's turned and complete. We can now snap it closed or leave it open. Whatever works for you. Finally, attach the shoulder strap. Clip it on here. And the bag is complete.